Hi guys, just wanted to show you a beautiful view of New Zealand, Christchurch. I'm joking, that's the baby that we'll be talking about now. Okay, grab it. So we've done hand control, transfer bench, come over here so we can see it. It's the transfer bench that we put in this car, just to make it easier to transfer in and out. Push rock hand control, and of course the Abiloader. I don't know if you can see this on the video, it's quite a big chair. We managed to squeeze it into a relatively small boot of this car. So that's all the way out. Release, out, back in, lock, set back in. While this is all the way in. So all is done in a brand new Mercedes GLB class. Thank you for watching.